Hello, in this video you will be learning how to take a screenshot from the PC or laptop. If you just keenly observe the keyboard, you will be finding these kind of keys. All you need to do is observe where you have to find out this button. It is called print screen, PrtScrn. If your keyboard resembles like this, all you need to do is press window button plus F11 so that the screen is captured. There are some other keyboards directly print screen button is given just after delete button or just before the delete button or just after the insert button. Here in the middle, print screen button, if you just press that button, you'll be directed or the screen is captured. This is the print screen button. We will just see the example. We want to take a screenshot of this total page. I'm just pressing print screen button, and all you need to do is copy this image into Paint. Just click on Paint and Ctrl V. As you can see that total screen is captured here. But if you don't want to do in this way, if you want to capture only particular area, I'm not saving it. If you want to capture only particular area, like only this part, let's say this is the particular part you want to capture as highlighted here, then there is another option in the keyboard. Hit the window button and just go to snipping tool. This is the snipping tool button. Click this button. Just go to snipping tool button, click it, and then you can see if you want to capture only this area, like let's see I want to capture only this area. Now you can just save it. Click on the save button, save it, and you will be redirected to one portion. By this way you can save or take the screenshot either in PC or laptop. Thank you. If you are first to my channel, I request you all to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any further updates. You can just comment it, how did you feel this video, and if you face any kind of glitches, just comment it, I will make a video for you. Thank you for your time. These are the things I do every day. I also upload job updates, technical glitches. I do daily editorials and vocabulary, and also interesting facts in my channel. So please do subscribe, you will be benefited from this. Thank you. Have a great day.